CraftDee family, and welcome to another tutorial by She's So CraftDee. For today's DIY project, we will be creating this fun and flirty snowman decor. This holiday piece is super easy and can be made with items from the Dollar Tree. I used those awesome microfiber mop heads to pull this look together, and it turned out perfect. I am super excited to share this tutorial with you, but before we start, I wanted to say welcome back to my current and new subscribers to my channel. If you are a new visitor to my channel today and you want to learn how to do easy, budget-friendly DIYs, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you will be the first to know when a new DIY tutorial is ready to share with you. So now, let's jump into the tutorial. The supplies you will need are a foam board, a microfiber mop head, felt or foam sheets, black paint or poster board, craft sticks, and a Dollar Tree scarf or a piece of flannel fabric. The first thing you want to do is to remove the fiber strands from the mop head, and you will end up with two bundles. You can click the suggested link at the top of this video to see how I've done this on a previous project. On your foam board, take one of the fiber bundles and you want to start wrapping it around in like a circle pattern, securing it with hot glue as you go. Now this will be the larger circle, so you want to use the entire length of this strand. Now you want to leave a length of at least one full circle of loose strand at the end. Now you want to take your second strand, and we are going to repeat this process. Now this will be your smaller circle, so we will be using about 3/4 of this strand. Remember to leave that one circle length tail at the end. Now you want to place a protective mat for your cutting surface under your foam board. We're going to take our X-Acto knife and we're going to cut these circles out of the foam board close to the edge of that circle. Now remove your circles and we can finish them off. Now we want to take our glue gun and start applying glue around the outer edge of the circle and secure the remainder of that strand all the way around. You want to repeat this with the remaining circle and cut off that excess and secure it with hot glue. And here are the head and body of our snowman ready to go. Now we want to go ahead and adhere the pieces together. We want to take a generous amount of that hot glue and apply it to the area where the circles will overlap. Then we want to go ahead and flip the pieces over and press them firmly into place. Now for added security, I'm going to add some craft sticks at the joint. Now take your hot glue and apply a generous amount at each end of the craft stick and then press and hold into place. We want to go ahead and repeat this with several craft sticks. Now, I also added a bit of clear tape to put over the ends as well because I'm just so extra. There we go, nice and secure. Now go ahead and grab that scrap of foam core board, and we're gonna go ahead and cut out a piece so we can make the hat for our snowman. Now here, I'm just going ahead and evening up the edges so I can cut out a square piece for the top hat. So the piece that I cut out ended up measuring about 7 inches by 7 inches. Now we're going to take another scrap piece and we're going to cut out a 2-inch wide piece for the brim. Now I'm going to go ahead and take your glue gun and attach the brim to the hat. So next we're going to start making the features of our snowman. So go ahead and grab your felt or your foam sheets. I'm going to start with the black, and the first thing I'm going to do is cut out 3 lumpy coal buttons for the belly. Now, I wanted my snowman to kind of be winking, so I'm gonna cut out something similar to like a squinted eye. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm gonna do one regular eye. Now for the mouth, I wanted my snowman to kind of have a silly, smirky smile, so I'm cutting that out right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover my hat with black poster board, but you can use felt, paint, or whatever you like. And now you want to take your Dollar Tree scarf or your scrap fabric and you want to cut a piece out to make a band for the hat. Then we can just go ahead and secure that in place with hot glue. Now this is extra, but I'm going to add a piece of holly berry from a Dollar Tree stem as well. Now for the remainder of the fabric, I cut a piece that measures about 38 inches long by 6 inches wide. I folded it in half and I cut fringes at the end about 2.5 inches deep. And now it's time to assemble our snowman. We want to go ahead and lay out all of our pieces, so we make sure we have a good idea of the exact placement. Once you're happy with everything, we can go ahead and hot glue everything in place. Finally, we can go ahead and tie our scarf around the neck to complete this look. Wow, now look at this handsome fella right here. I can't tell you guys how much fun it was to create this project. I think the texture and color of that mop head really gives this snowman a really unique look. With the two pieces together and the hat, he's over 2 feet tall. Now you can go ahead and play around with the facial expressions and the colors of the scarf and the hat, and you can give him as much or as little as personality as you would like. Now I chose to hang this with a wire and hot glue, and if you need instructions, click the suggested link at the top of this video to see how I've done this before on a previous project. Listen, if you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how you would customize this snowman for your home. Thank you again for visiting and checking out my tutorial. If you like videos like these and don't want to miss the next one, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also remember to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.